How to log in to Bank of Montreal online banking account. So if you want to log in to Bank of Montreal online banking account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Montreal Bank. And after searching, under the first search you have to click on that. And now if you want to log into your Montreal online banking, then you can go to the upper right corner which says sign in and click on that. So if you want to log in as online banking, you can click on online banking, or you can also click on BMO debit card or credit card, or you can also go with investor line and all of these options. So I'll be choosing online banking. Now if you want to log in, then first here on the first blank you have to enter your card number, and your card number must contain 16 digits. And after entering the card number you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can click on forgot your password, and then you have to enter your card number and then your phone number. And after entering all the details asked by BMO, you can reset or recover your password. But if you simply remember your password, then enter it. And if you want to save your card number on your laptop or PC, then you have to click on remember card, and you have to enter your nickname of this card, but this one is optional. Or if you don't want to save your card number, then you have to unclick it. Simply enter your card number and then your password, and you can simply click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you sign in or log into your Montreal online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.